ASCO designed and manufactured a cut-to-length station with unwind and stand. The unwind is a cantilever design for ease of loading material. The material comes off the bottom of the roll and goes under an idle roller and straight into the nip rollers. Adjustable side guides and collars on the idle roller assist in keeping the material straight. A guillotine knife assembly cuts the material to specified lengths. A common base plate ensures correct alignment of all components. The base plate is mounted to a rugged design adjustable equipment stand. Please give us a call to discuss your application.